This is just gonna be a quick mail call video. I got a package in the mail from Picksmith today. He sent me poker chip stickers. Very cool. He sent me Kenneth Williams by Beer Can Bushcraft. Here's the key for that. It's upside down. There's the key for that. That's crazy. Silver Bullet by Cajun Lockpick. SP1 by Sid Picks, which is in a Corbin Rustling. Hopefully it's not an M-Heart. Best Of by Tony S, which appears to be a challenge lock and an Avis D6. So, just a quick mail call. Thank you, Picksmith. Greatly appreciated. Awesome poker chip and stickers, man. Thank you so much.